Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another useful video for your Windows operating PC and how to fix access deny as you do not have certificate privilege or the fix may be locked by another process. So you have to invoke this utility running in the elevated mode and make sure that it is unlocked in your Windows 10. So let's fix this problem. First of all, go to your search option here and here search CMD, that is the command prompt, and select right click it here and select run as administrator and click yes again. And now here type CHKDSK and enter. As you can see, this type of file is an empty and you're running CHKDSK is read-only mode, and it will take a few seconds to do all of this and your problem will be fixed. And so this is the video and I hope this video helps you, and if this video does help you, please subscribe to my channel and I will catch you guys on the next one.